Welcome to Essential Biz Marketing. Today we introduce Real Marketing 2.1, focusing on IKEA's global strategy and marketing lessons. Let's begin with IKEA's global scale. IKEA is the world's largest home furnishings retailer, offering stylish, low-cost furniture across the world. The company serves over 775 million customers and is best known for flat-pack, self-assembly products. IKEA delivers affordable quality through mass production and efficient logistics, making good design widely accessible. Now let's turn to IKEA's mission. IKEA's success is closely tied to its mission, to create a better everyday life for many people. This mission is not a slogan, but a guiding principle shaping every decision in product design and marketing strategy. IKEA believes that making well-designed, affordable products accessible to more people helps improve daily lives. Next, let's examine how IKEA keeps costs low. IKEA lowers costs by using durable materials, designing flat-pack products, and encouraging customer self-service. Stores are designed as showrooms, often including restaurants and childcare services to enhance the shopping experience. Let's move to IKEA's customer-driven design approach. IKEA develops products based on customer needs, ensuring practicality and affordability remain central to design. Designers closely observe daily life problems and create solutions that are practical, affordable, and widely usable. The process includes visiting homes worldwide to understand diverse needs and adapt designs to real lifestyles. As a result, IKEA products are functional for global lifestyles, not limited to Swedish living conditions. Now let's focus on IKEA's sustainability and responsibility. IKEA prioritizes environmental and social responsibility, integrating these values into its operations and strategy. The company sources wood from sustainable forests and designs products for recyclability and energy efficiency. IKEA seeks to reduce its environmental footprint while maintaining affordability, balancing impact with accessibility. Its marketing emphasizes an inclusive and caring tone, avoiding flashy advertising to reflect its responsible image. Finally, let's examine how IKEA adapts globally while keeping its mission constant. IKEA adapts strategies to local cultures and tastes while maintaining its core mission unchanged. Store layouts, product names, and menus are localized to reflect regional preferences and enhance relevance. For example, IKEA sells rice cookers in Asia and serves locally popular foods in its restaurants. Let's conclude by looking at IKEA's overall marketing model. IKEA's mission, cost-focused innovation, and customer-centered design have driven global growth while staying true to its values. Good marketing means understanding people's needs and helping them live better lives every day. Thank you for joining this session. We look forward to exploring more business insights together.